Okay, next thing we're looking at is called dotted notes. This is again to do with how long notes last for, because it gets a little bit tricky here. Okay, so we've got, let's go with our minim first of all. Can be written down like that. Sometimes there will be a small little dot afterwards. Okay, or you can get a crotchet. Again, with a small little dot afterwards. Quavers. With a small little dot afterwards. You can get it after any note. Okay, and the dot means it lasts for an extra half. Okay, so that is equal to a minim and a crotchet. Okay, so instead of just a minim by itself lasting for 2 beats, with the dot on it, it lasts for 3 beats. Okay, crotchet is equal to a crotchet and a quaver. Okay, so instead of lasting for 1 beat, with the dot, it lasts for a beat and a half. Okay, and the quaver, you can see where this is going, is equal to a quaver plus a semiquaver. Okay, so instead of lasting for an 1/8 of a beat, it's an 1/8 plus a 1/16. Okay, these are dotted notes. So I could have, for example, a minim, crotchet beat rest, where I pause and don't play anything for the length of the beat of a crotchet, and then a crotchet. And because we're in 4/4, that's the end of the bar there. Okay, I could have that, but I could also have, if I wanted to negate that rest and have some sound going through it, I could have a dot on the end of it, and that would last for a minim plus a crotchet, and then I've got a crotchet at the end again, is equal to a bar of 4/4. In another example, I could have a crotchet, quaver, and a second quaver joined together. So crotchet, 2 quavers, and a minim. That's the end of the bar there. If I want to join these 2 notes together, I can use what's called a tie, which is a little curvy line underneath or above, which joins the 2 notes together, which means you don't play that one. Okay, it means you just hold that one down for a crotchet and another quaver until you get to that quaver. Or I could use my dotted note, add a dot to it, make sure that's clearly a quaver. I've got a dotted crotchet, a quaver, and a minim, and it still lasts exactly the same amount of time. It sounds exactly the same. Okay, now I'm going to give you a few more exercises on dotted notes this time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give you time signature at the start. So we're in 2/4. Okay, again, I'm going to put a little symbol. That's why I want you to put a dotted note. Okay, there's only going to be one dotted note which fits, and then I'll give you another note to end the bar. Okay, so there needs to be a note there that is a dotted note. What would it be? Okay, I'll give you this one in this case. It would be a crotchet, because a crotchet is equal to a dotted crotchet, rather, is equal to a crotchet and a quaver. So I've got a crotchet, a quaver, and another quaver equal to 4 quavers, which I will get in a bar of 2/4. Okay, so what note's going to go there in example 1? Example 2, let's do 2/4 again. What note is going to go there? And I've got a semi-quaver and a crotchet. So there needs to be a dotted note there. What's it going to be? Example 3 is going to be in 4/4. What note goes there? And then a crotchet. And do one last last one. Example number 4. Let's do this one in 3/4. Dotted note at the start. There's a quaver, and there's a crotchet. Make sure you check the time signature at the start. Make sure you know how many different beats go into each one, so how many crotchets go into it, how many quavers, how many semi-quavers, okay, and work out what you've got there. Work out that plus how many notes go into it, and that should hopefully give you your answer to what is the dotted note here.